Okay. Go ahead.
Is my screen visible?
Yes.
Oops. Yeah. The potential. Well, for everyone, good day, good evening, good afternoon, good morning for our aunties in the Europe. So I am tasked and assigned to talk about the potential, and I'm really grateful that you guys are here with me today as this meeting, as this will be my practice. Well, for the others, whether you are new here in Reway or just already on this journey, this space serves as for all of us in believing that making lives better, starting with the people closest to us. So yeah, today I want to talk about something, or today we want to talk about something that's growing faster than most people realize, and that is the Reway's potential in the global market. But not just the global market, it's your market, our market, your family, friends, neighbors, community groups, your own circle of influence. So I guess we can start now. The untapped potential of Freeways International in the market. As we know it, Freeway is not just limited on on our local market. We can reach anyone in the globe. We can reach our friends from anywhere or anytime that we wanted. So how do we do it, or how do we start it? We start by starting small, but we think big. Let me begin with something very important, that we don't forget to start small. Sometimes we look at successful people already in Reway, team elites, 3 stars, 2 stars, 1 stars, but and we almost every time feel that we're so far behind. But the truth is, even those elite, those 3 stars, those supremes, everyone started small. One conversation, one person at a time, one sample, one success story. So, in here with Start Small, Think Big, we don't actually need to reach the world in a day, like in just one day. We can just start with someone that I love, that you love. We can start with a parent who's tired. We can start with a friend who's looking for better health. Or we can start with a community leader who wants to offer something real to their group, such as our example here, Pastora Mary Ann Agos. She's actually writing notes. So, those are the seeds that can grow into something incredible that we just start small, that already comes with thinking big. And other than that, with the potential is who already knows, right? Who already knows the Reway, who already knows the Portier, and how many people you know already know about Reway International, Portier Placenta, or even Consensus. As for me and everyone here, we'd be surprised that even in today's connected world, many of us have still never, many people have still never heard about this amazing product, which is the Portier, what we have. And for those who have, many of them haven't understood what it really does, or how can you help them or guide them. And as for that, with not much people already know what Riway is about or what Portier is about, that is our chance. This is our chance, and those are the chances that we can grab. We might think from time to time that the market is saturated, but it is already given and it is already given and said that it's not. The market on the whole world is not saturated that much. There are people in our local area, even in our social media network, even in our messenger contacts, who are just waiting for the right person to bring this to them, because as we know it, not everyone knows about our miracle stem cell, the Portier placenta, what it can do, what can the Reway do to their life, to change their life and their financial statements and all. So what's with it? On that, we have the Reway's community power, of course. On this part, I want everyone to think about your local environment. We can start with your relatives and extended family. We also have friends and their families that we could always connect. Then we have our neighborhood, church group, wellness class, support group, or even alumni network for for the teenagers. Well, these people, the type of people that I've shared in this slide, relatives, family, friends, neighborhood, these are not strangers. These are not new to our life. This is our people. This is your people. And when they see your sincerity, that when they see that you're sincere on changing their life, on when they see your sincerity that three-way has changed your life, they will begin to listen, not because of hype, because as we know it here in three-way, we don't do any hype, but because of trust. They will listen to us because of trust. A three-way system is built on trust, relationship, and transformation as we know it. That's why it works in well communities and where people still value connection. With three-way, we have our six P's that we don't just sell, we don't just do cold selling, hot selling, we don't just sell. We build our foundation and we continuously build the three-way system with trust, relationship, and transformation. And along with those is the digital market or the global potential that we have. The digital market is also equivalent to global potential. Why? Because let's not forget the digital world. As we are doing this right now, we're in Zoom meeting. This is already part of the digital world. This is already part of the digital world. You know, with just our smartphone, we can we can instantly reach people not just in our city, but across your country or even overseas. Platforms like TikTok, Facebook, Instagram, Zoom, these platforms are not just for entertainment. These are the platform that can be our extended market. As many people around the world are already online, looking for solutions, looking for hope, and maybe you can ask yourself, what if you are the one who shows up in their feed at the right time? You're the one who answered their queries, you're the one who answered their questions, you're the one who answered their question in their life when whether they're looking for some better health, better financial status, or just hope with their life. And along with that is Reway is already in over 70 countries. As we know it, and for the newcomers and for we already active, we know that Reway has now expanded to over 70 countries around the world, with the major countries, powerful regions like Singapore, Malaysia, Taiwan, Philippines, Japan. We also have Europe, Middle East, and now the Americas. As with Three-Way, we are still growing. That means we are not just part of a local company, we are part of a global movement, of a global company that is dreaming of giving an international impact. International impact of helping someone not just in our local community but helping in someone in another country, building borders, building cross-border relationship, building cross-border businesses that Three-Way gives us, even with even just our handphones, even just our localities. Along with that is that one thing I learned is the setting of time, the goal. So why do we think that now is the best time? Well, as we know it, the truth that why now the best time is because health consciousness is rising. As we know it, there are a lot of already things about health consciousness is already rising, but isn't just giving any effect. We also have that people are looking for premium and proven wellness product, which Shiriway offers, which Shiriway gives. And then the desire for financial freedom is stronger than ever. As we know it, the global market, the global standards is growing higher, inflation rates, everything is just getting expensive rather than what we can earn. And why now is the best time is also because online sharing has never been easier. Just like earlier, after the meeting that we had, I talked to my um, cousin in UAE and we connected, and she said that she has a lot of connections that she would like to connect with me. So on that, uh, all that creates is a perfect environment for us to start, to grow and to thrive with Reway. So doing Reway is now the best time. Am I still audible? Yeah, I think.
Yes.
Okay. Then, um, oh, I think my slide didn't save, but I'm, I'm just gonna stay with this one. So, yeah, as long with Three-Way is we have the heart to share, right? What we do is share, we don't sell. Because with those sharing, we need to have the willingness to start small and, a decision to keep us going. Because when we do, one life leads to another. As an example, I'm always hearing your cousin, you told your cousin tells her friend, that friend shares it with her health group, that group leads connect you to someone overseas, and that's where you start. It's getting bigger and bigger and bigger. See? And as the final thought, you are the bridge, we are the bridge. Yes, Reway has massive potential in the market. And yes, it's already in 70 plus countries. But the greatest potential, as for me, as the speaker for this potential, as part of our six P's, the greatest potential is not in the product or not in the plan, but it's it's in you, it's on us. As we are the bridge between where someone is today, where they could be, with better health, deeper hope, and maybe even a brand new future. So, as to end this, I think I'm already at my 10-minute limit. We can do this together. Start small, share with love, share with intention, with care, with sincerity, and watch your impact ripple far beyond what you can imagine, and it will just start going and going, going like a domino effect. And that would be all. Thank you. And I believe that in the power of what we have in Reway with our potential, what we can build is something bigger than we hope for. Thank you.
Wow. So that was really an excellent presentation. I forgot that I was listening to a 21-year-old. That is the effect or the result or being so much engrossed of, attending, being so addicted to attend all the seminars and events, learning from all speakers, okay, from all, uh, even whether they are new members, they are rising stars, they are supremes and elites, okay. It's like extracting and absorbing those sharings from those already have experience in this company. So thank you so much, Jello, for that. That is really an excellent presentation. So he actually didn't know that today he will be sharing, um but he has already a prepared slides, imagine. Prepared slides, and he is prepared for our Saturday, for our June 14, which is still like, we still have 3 weeks, okay, to prepare for that. And but yeah, you see, 3 weeks. And if you listen to his presentation, we can maximize the tools or the vehicles that we have. Upon hearing from him, anyone who wants to share your thoughts, or ideas, do you want also to share, okay, about the potential of our market in Reway? Okay, who wants to share?
Uh, no, I just would like to tell something, to Jello. It's really, really excellent. I'm surprised. I have to say this. Really, I'm a little bit surprised with him. And like really like he was 10 years already in the company. He it was really so mature, this presentation. But only one small things that for us, who are older a little bit, the letter, the black letter on the dark blue is not possible to read.
Not
They are not
visible.
readable. It's a very
Need to
difficult,
change.
really. Then next slide, you just think on us, who are older, in this company. It's only that what I would like to say. And of course, the market is fantastic, and we have to be conscious about it, and really to do our best. And now we got a distributor in Holland. I think that Mira is the first one in Holland, or I don't know for some else.
Hello,
And
Mira.
really, it will be. She already has someone who is interested in our product, our company. And I really wish everything the best, to Mira. She's now the youngest distributor
Yeah,
in my team.
it's like few
And
days ago.
and something else, it was recording, isn't it, Jello? And
Yes.
I would like if you can send to us, after, or put on Zambia team, or Rive Aubrey somewhere, that we can
Yeah, I
use
will.
it. Okay, thank you.
Thank you for that, Doc. By the way, the full presentation or video of the events that we had in the Philippines, okay, are already in our YouTube channel. But there are two topics there that YouTube put it as copyright, and so I have to send you the links because you cannot view it publicly. Only those who have the link. So you can learn from these speakers. Okay.
Okay.
And yeah, they're really prepared for this, and the CEO also trained them. The CEO also give them the what do you call this? The slides. And I am going to give you the slides, Doc, Visna, later
Mm-hmm.
in your WhatsApp, but the management informed me not to post this in public.
Okay.
Okay, so we can use this also, Eve, and also Mira. You can study that because you guys are from different countries.
Mm-hmm.
Eve from Belgium, Mira from Poland, and Doc is now our top leader in ex-Yugoslavia. So you guys need to have this copy of the slides. Okay, so we can do this in our own team, in our own group. So, yes, potential of the market. Jello explained we can use actually our gadget. Once we have a gadget, we have internet. We can our market is the whole world. Do you know? I'm telling people here in the Philippines, if you have a gadget, okay, you can reach your friends and family all over the world. Now, in our GC, in our group chat, I just posted that if we talk to different people every day, 20 people, okay, every day, and then by today, we already have talked to 480 people. That's the community already. But I don't know who can do that, okay? But why not? We try. Remember this our CEO, he talked to 50 people in 19 days. 19 days, that was his start. Our CEO always said that we have to keep track. That's why we always have pictures, we always take photos, because you can see, you can track. Example, um, I have this OPP for today. I meet people for today. How many people I meet today? By the way, I already stopped posting, but again, I always say this, that we must have a separate notebook or note for the people we talk to every day. Okay, that is what I call pot of diamonds. Remember that pot of gold, the story in that pot of gold? Um, Okay, pot of diamonds. Okay. That okay, sorry, I have to stop the recording. Okay.